Hey YouTube, Talks to Guns here. So I've got a quick little gear check on what I take out on a typical hasty search. So I'm only going to be out for a couple of hours, and that's almost guaranteed. So I want to be a little bit on the lighter side instead of taking everything. So let's go left to right. I have Springfield in 10 mil. That's my bear protection. One of them, I will also carry bear spray. I've got a boo-boo kit on the back of my water bag here. The dog likes drinking out of the bowl, so we make sure he's hydrated. A couple candy bars, and yeah, you can put patches anywhere, right? We've got Yaesu FT5D and extra battery. Garmin GPSMAP is one of the later ones. Comes with the satellite link SOS button. Backup for direction is our compass, extra light, and whistle, notepad, and yeah, back to the chest rig. So, kind of what I run. Thoughts on that? Have a great one.